If you have a problem with PTPTN, should you be admitted to AKPK? Hi, my name is Ka Hoe and I'm the founder of J Advisory, and today I'm back with this very interesting topic which I saw from one of the people who came into our one-to-one. And this is something which I'm curious as well. No? If you are having a PTPTN loan and you are having problems paying your PTPTN, would you consider going to AKPK? Do share with me in the comment section, because I like to see in general what do people actually think or how do they react. In my personal opinion, I always believe in this principle that I live by. Whatever money that we borrow, we need to return, right? So with that in mind, PTPTN has been one of the loans that has been given to students for their higher education. But because a lot of the students that have used these funds did not repay back to the government, that's why government is actually chasing quite hard on defaulters, right? Even to the extent of barring them from going overseas. Ever since during the COVID, I think there is certain relief measure to help every person, not only PTPTN, but I think in terms of housing loan, car loan, there was certain moratorium. But coming back to this main topic here, personally, I don't think that if you are struggling with your PTPTN payment, you should be admitted to AKPK, mainly because PTPTN interest is one of the lowest interest I've ever seen, because literally government is sort of giving free money to you for your higher education. Because like I've seen before, the interest rate charged for PT is like as low as 1 or 2%. So I felt that another way of how you can approach this if you are struggling with PTPTN repayment is to actually approach PTPTN directly and see how you can reschedule your repayment to something which you can commit to or which is something you can pay, rather than going to AKPK. Because I'm not sure how many of you actually have gone into AKPK because of your PTPTN. Do they increase the interest rate or do they fix the interest rate? If they increase, then it's really not a worthwhile deal. But if they still maintain and they help you to restructure the repayment, then it will still be okay. But the second point I'd like to make is that once you're on AKPK list, which one of the way how AKPK prevent you from getting more loans or getting deeper into debt is they put you on a watch list so that you need to pay off all your loans before you can get the loan. So with that in mind, if you suddenly got a raise or suddenly you actually managed to be able to pay your PTPTN and also afford a property, if you are in the watch list, that will be one of the biggest challenge, because you won't be able to buy a property by taking housing loan because you're still on the watch list until you finish settle the whole outstanding of your PTPTN. That is the reason why I do not encourage. Again, talk to PTPTN, ask them to see how you can reschedule the payment, or if really that doesn't work, talk to us, leave a comment to the comment section, and we'll see how we can help you. Stay safe, stay strong. Take care, guys.